gentleman from Ohio is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Today I rise in support of my proposed amendment to H.R. 6703 and in opposition to the underlying bill. In 2 weeks, 22 million Americans will see their health care premiums double, triple, or quadruple, costing them hundreds of additional dollars a month, and more than 4 million Americans will lose their coverage entirely. This includes 12,300 Ohioans in my district alone. This Republican health care crisis is completely and entirely preventable, and House Democrats and even a few Republicans have a solution: extend the Affordable Care Act enhanced premium tax credits. But what do House Republicans propose instead? A collection of failed policies that would raise prices, leaving an additional 100,000 people without insurance and restricting access to abortion care, setting the stage for a national abortion ban. But I believe it's my job to offer solutions to help the American people, and specifically my constituents in Ohio. That's why I propose an amendment to remove the section responsible for increasing costs and limiting access to reproductive health care. Right now, any and all abortion coverage provided under marketplace plans are not paid for by the federal dollars. However, this bill would impose unprecedented restrictions on private dollars and is yet another Republican attempt to ban reproductive health care coverage across this country. It is unacceptable that Congress is about to head home having done nothing to protect the millions of Americans who will lose coverage on January 1st. The heartbreaking stories from my constituents who have no clue how they're going to make ends meet as we enter into what should be a merry holiday season. Mr. Speaker, I had a professor in college who was very clear in calling us out when we were unprepared when we showed up for our class. He would call us derelict, negligent, and trifling. This Congress, Mr. Speaker, is derelict, negligent, and trifling for failing to ensure that Americans have health care coverage and we are actually lowering their costs. This bill is deceptive at best, cruel at worst, and I encourage my colleagues to extend these enhanced tax credits before it's too late. I yield back.
The gentleman